CJ Stroud here. I just got this in PSA. This has scratches on it, and I'm gonna try and get those off on my PSA 10. Here's a PSA 9. Look how clean the surface is here. So I want to get rid of these. The product I'm going to use today is PlastX. That's what it's called, by Meguiar's. It costs about like $7 on Amazon, and on top of that you need a microfiber towel, so I got one right here, and we are going to see how well it works. If I speed up this process, just know I'm going to let you know how long it takes by setting a timer. Right here I got the product on the actual casing, and we're going to start the timer now. As you can see from the first look of it, in 30 seconds, it doesn't look that bad. Wow. And look how clean that looks right now. And that took less than a minute to do. Holy crap. Looks like no marks on it. I just gotta give it a few wipes. Yeah, wow. That looks really good. Holy crap. So there you go. And I just restored my PSA 10 CJ Stroud from the scratch marks that were there. And look at that. Anyways, if this helped you, go and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching my video. And we're gonna get this list on eBay probably when the next season starts. Thank you.